So what's the role of your lawyer when you're trying to decide what process is right for you? I want you to meet with a lawyer who works at a firm where people do all of the things, where people serve as a neutral mediator, where people serve as mediation review counsel, where people are litigators and trial attorneys and hearing attorneys, where people are collaboratively trained divorce attorneys. You want someone who works with professionals who understand all of these different approaches so that you can get the best possible advice on what approach is most aligned with your goals. I want you to do that before you pick a process. Before you commit to mediating, make sure you meet with a lawyer to make sure that mediation is the best way to achieve your goals. So for example, say your spouse wants you to mediate and you want to do something that your spouse wants to do because you don't want to create an issue for no reason, and you've heard of mediation, it sounds good. But on the other hand, you think your spouse might be someone who tries to hide assets. Well, when you meet with a lawyer, you might find out maybe mediation isn't the best way to go about this. Maybe making sure that you have a full financial picture, maybe that's better accomplished via a collaborative or a litigation. So pick your lawyer first. Choose a lawyer who doesn't have a dog in the fight over what your process is, except for the process that will bring you closer to your goal, that will be the most successful for you. That's the order. And then when you get those insights and information from your lawyer, and you have a good sense of how the timeline might play out in the different things, how transparency might play out in the three different modalities, then you can make a really fully informed decision and feel good about it and be able to look back upon it and know that when you were making the decisions, you were doing it with your eyes wide open.